Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. In this video, I am going to discuss frequently asked questions from chapter Periodic Classification of Elements. First of all, I will tell you that some definitions that may be asked from this chapter, like what is a period, what is a group. Groups are the vertical columns in the periodic table. And what is a period? Period, they are the horizontal rows in the periodic table. Then, what is Mendeleev's periodic law? So, that is the properties of the element are the periodic function of their atomic masses. And what is modern periodic law? The properties of the element are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. Okay? Then you should know the definition of atomic masses, then atomic number, so many things. These are some of the direct questions. Like you should know the definition of electropositivity. That is the ability of the element to lose the electrons during the chemical reaction. And what is electronegativity? That is the ability of the elements to gain the electrons during the chemical reactions. Okay, such type of the direct questions that may be asked, but mainly some application-based questions. They are there in your exercise as well as in-text questions. You are to practice those questions. So, I will explain 2 or 3 questions of the same type here, and remaining you will solve by your own. Okay? So, the first question, what were the criteria used by the Mendeleev in creating his periodic table? This is the direct question. In fact, this is the atomic masses. Okay? I have told you that he emphasizes on atomic masses. And sometimes the drawbacks also of the Mendeleev's periodic table that may be asked, that he couldn't explain the position of the hydrogen atom, he couldn't explain the position of the isotopes and so on. Okay, drawbacks that may be asked. Now, next question, name. These are the application-based questions, some indirect questions, and you are to practice them thoroughly. Name 3 elements that have single electron in their outermost shell. So, the group number 1, the elements of the group number 1 has single electron in their valence shell. You are to name 3 out of them. So, they will be lithium, sodium and potassium. Okay? Lithium, sodium and potassium. These are the 3 elements in which there is 1 valence electron or 1 electron in the valence shell. Okay? 3 elements with filled outermost shell. Filled, what do you mean by filled? Means completely filled. So, they are the inert gases or the noble elements. So, the elements present in group 18, okay, group 18, they have filled outermost shells. So, they will be helium, neon and argon, krypton and so on. You can name them. Okay. Next question is, an atom is electronic configuration 287. Regarding any element, they can give you that the element is having the electronic configuration 282, okay, or 287. So, what is the atomic number of that element? You are to add them, and that will be the atomic number. Here it will be 17. It is 17, that is the atomic number of this element. To which of the following elements would it be chemically similar? Okay, chemically it will be similar to nitrogen, fluorine, then phosphorus or argon. So chemically it will resemble fluorine, because the element which has atomic number 17, that is chlorine, that is the halogen, and in the same way fluorine, that is also the halogen. So such type of the question, they can ask you what is the atomic number of the element which has electronic configuration 282. So what will be your answer? It will be 12. 12, that is magnesium. Okay, that is magnesium. Then to which following elements would it be chemically similar? So वो थोड़ा जो similar होंगे उनमें से एक similar दे देंगे तो आप कर सकते हो. Okay, so such type of the questions, they are expected from this chapter. Now next is the position of the three elements. This is very common question. You will see such type of the questions in the board exam. The position of the three elements A, B and C in the periodic table are shown below. This is group 16. Group 16, they are the chalcogens. Okay. And group 17 is halogen. Here they have named A and here C. State whether A is a metal or non-metal. Metals, I have told you that they are on the left hand side of the periodic table. Okay. So, these are non-metals which belong to group 16 or 17. So, state whether A is a metal or non-metal. It is a non-metal. State whether C is more reactive or less reactive than A. A, I have told you, that is more reactive. State whether C is more reactive or less reactive than A. So C will be less reactive than A. Okay, C will be less reactive than A. Which type of the ion, cation or anion, will be formed by element A? A lose करेगा कि gain करेगा? It has one electron less than the noble gas. So what it will do? It will gain the electron. When some element is gaining the electron, this will result in the formation of the anion. Okay, this will result in the formation of the anion. Okay, so such type of the question you will find in your board exam. So with this, my chapter, the periodic classification of elements, that is finished. I will come with some other chapter of class 10th in my next video. Till then, thank you very much.